Okay. So good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Jignesh Patel, Senior Lecturer, BK Modi Government Pharmacy College, Rajkot. I heartily welcome to both the speakers, all faculties, students, and alumni of BK Modi Government Pharmacy College. Today, the topic of webinar is Way Ahead for Pharma Folks, Challenges, Choices, and Career Opportunity for the Marketing, which is going to be delivered by speaker Mr. Yugal Kishore Jetwani and Mr. Dilip Mehta. Now, I am glad to inform you that both the speaker of today's webinar is the alumni of BK Modi Government Pharmacy College. Now, Mr. Dilip Mehta is the area business managers at Lupin Limited, and Mr. Yugal Kishore Jetwani, it is the group product managers at Torrent Pharmaceutical Limited. Now, both these speakers have the vast experience in marketing. Now, I invite both the speakers to deliver a talk.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure to have you, all of you. I just good morning to all of you to invite us and give insight about pharma marketing. Thank you so much from all BK Modi professor as well as student to having us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Dilip, should we start?
Yes, sir. I am sharing my slide. Just a second. My screen is visible.
No.
Just a second.
Yes, Dilip sir, we can start the webinar now.
Sure, sir. Now my screen is visible.
Not yet, Dilip.
Just a second.
नीचे लकीली जो present now. That you click and
just
there is right.
Okay, sir. Just a second. My screen is visible. You got, sir?
No. No, Dilip.
No.
If you are sharing issue, you can send your PPT to Jignesh sir, and Jignesh sir will share it.
Okay, just a second. Stand here.
If it is not possible, or you can, yes.
Dilip can share. Dilip
Yes, sir.
can share.
Dilip can share, but if he is having any issue, then we can share. That is not an issue.
No,
Okay.
no issue.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let
yes,
me try.
sir. Yes, sir.
Just a second now, Dilip. I'll share from my side. Take a second.
Sure, sir.
Sir, are my slides visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Dilip, let us start.
Okay, sir. So welcome all BK Modi students and all staff member. So let's begin. Today's topic is why ahead for pharma folks. So challenges, choice, and career opportunities. As I said, actually, whenever we are in a diploma pharmacy or in a degree pharmacy, at that time our goal is not set. All people are thinking about that diploma pharmacy or degree pharmacy is just a complete pharmacy and open your own medical store. But that's not true. After diploma pharmacy, after degree pharmacy, there is a vast basket, vast job opportunities there, and you can do many things. So what to do after diploma in pharmacy? Next, sir. After diploma pharmacy, everything is thinking that diploma pharmacy, after completing diploma pharmacy is death. Means whenever you're in diploma pharmacy, there is only one job opportunity. Look like first you can go with B pharmacy, or you can go in a medical store or open your own medical store. But that's not true. Next, because after diploma pharmacy, the step is started. The story is started. Next, sir. Because sir,
Yeah, Dilip.
just a second.
Dilip, is it visible? Dilip,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dilip, is it visible?
Actually, screen is PPT is not go ahead. Kindly press next. Yes, sir. Is visible, but there is no
Sir,
second
Hello,
image is
Dilip.
there.
Ramesh sir and Jignesh sir, are my
Yes, sir.
slides visible?
Now,
A tabular form?
Yes,
Am I audible?
after diploma in pharmacy. Sc- slide
Perfect.
slide is having a
Perfect.
flow chart
Dilip,
after diploma in
Dilip, I think
pharmacy.
you are facing some technical
yes,
problem.
yes, yes.
Okay, no issue. For the savage of time, what we can do, sir, I will take the
Slide
presentation,
stopped.
and then during discussion part, me and
Yes,
Dilip
yes.
will again join, and we will interact with all the students. Correct. So let me just take this opportunity.
Yes, 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 Yugal.
First of all, all the seniors,
Okay. Okay,
all
sir.
the I can say professors as well as principals of Philip, just 1 minute. So all the professors and principals are of BK Modi, and all the students of BK Modi, we are very much thankful for inviting both of us here for this. I can say not a workshop, but it is kind of interaction meet with all of you, uh, because we have I can say very much sweet memories with BK Modi, because I have done my B Pharma from there. So just before this slide, I just have my only small introduction of about mine. So I've done 2 years D Pharma from LM College. After that, I got the opportunity for B Pharma in BK Modi. So that I consider myself a lucky one, because during these 3 years, I had lot of guidance from all the professors and principal sir. We have at that time Dr. Mr. Jain Chawda sir at that time principal. So sir, as all of them have helped us very much, and as well as one special mention to Dr. Nilesh Patel sir. He has been always a guide, guru, mentor for me. I can say whatever progress I have seen during this BFARM, he has played a very strong pivotal role. So after that, from this my academic journey was also very good with BK Modi. I have been always amongst the top four of the in the theory subjects, especially because my goal majorly was for the entrance exams, just like GPAT and NIPER G. So that's why I was focusing more on the competitive exam. But that doesn't mean that we should not focus or concentrate on our theory subjects. So I request all of you to have your apt concentration on the theory subjects. But meanwhile, also we should be very much clear regarding our goal. Okay. So I'm just keeping it very brief, because we have presentation, and then we have the good sort of interaction with all of you. So in the second year, I was having the thought process that let me go to the M Pharma PhD and all, and then go to for the abroad for higher studies and the career. But in third year, I realized that at that time my financial situation of my family was not good. So I was thinking that I cannot afford at least 6 to 7 years to spend or to invest for studies and all. So then in third year, I realized that I should do the MBA Pharma. Post that, I was preparing more for this entrance exam, GPAT and NIPER. GPAT luck was not good, I can say. uh, because I was focusing on top 30 All India, but I got the rank of 800 something. Currently, right now, I'm not able to recollect what's the rank, but it was more than 800 ranking All India. But then I was not disheartened. I say, okay, no issue. Though I have not got any good rank in GPAT, but I thought let me try in Niper G, my luck as well as my hard work. Luckily, I got good opportunity. I got All India 180 rank, and I got opportunity in MBA Pharma. And all of you will agree that BK Modi during these 3 years, BK Modi, I'm talking about the batch of 2009, 10, and 11. So 2009, there was one fellow, my senior. His name I've forgotten. It's there in my mind, but I'm not able to recollect right now. He was All India number one GPAT. Then in my batch, I was also one of the meritorious student. Then in my next batch, Jaideep Bhurania, Jaideep, yes, Jaideep Bhurania. He also got All India, I think so, number one or number three. So I request all of you that don't think that BK Modi is in the Rajkot city, so it is out of the competition, out of the league, because this college has given many bright students, many meritorious students, and successful students also right now. So after that, MBA Pharma, I got selected in Zydus Cadila for as a indirectly in the marketing team, and after working 4 years in Zydus, I got selected in. I have approached or I have tried for Mumbai because Zydus at the time was in Ahmedabad, and after Zydus, I request all of you to please, if possible, keep mute. Please help me for this. Thank you. So after Zydus Pharma, I had the journey in Mumbai, Glenmark Pharma for 2 years, and then I left Glenmark and I joined Lupin, Mumbai. So Lupin, I have worked for almost 2 years, got multiple awards in both the tenures of Glenmark as well as Lupin. And after Lupin, I joined Torrent Pharma back to Ahmedabad, my hometown. And here I have joined as a group product manager. And here I'm handling various very important projects as well as portfolio of the Torrent Pharma. So that's about me. Now coming here, that so here we are trying to touch not only the career opportunities after MBA, but also the career opportunity after D Pharma, career opportunity after B Pharma, career opportunity after masters also. So that's why you can get fair enough about how in your
Hello,
life.
Yugal.
Haan.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Ji, sir.
Hello, Yugal.
Haan, sir.
You can switch on your camera. So we are recording actually. So if it is possible, you can switch on your camera during the presentation.
Camera is
Okay,
already
sir.
switched on, Jignesh sir.
Camera is on, sir.
Sir, I am also now
Okay.
available. Actually,
Camera is
open
already
in
on.
my
Camera
mobile.
is available. Camera is on already.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So thing is
Okay. You may start.
after
Yes.
after D Pharma.
Yugal, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yugal, sir.
हाँ जी.
May I take from there?
Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, hello friends. Once again, sorry for trouble. Actually, there is a problem with laptop. So now I am opening my mobile. Okay. So after diploma pharmacy, actually I am a diploma pharmacy student from BK Modi Government Pharmacy College. So I know that what we can do after diploma in pharmacy. So first of all, after in diploma pharmacy, you can continue your studies. You can give in a D2D in a B Pharm. Also, you can join a BSc as a D2D in a second year of BSc. As well as you can also join the BCom or BA also, because many students from diploma pharmacy also join BCom. There's so many example is there. As well as you can join the certificate course in IGNO or Rajiv Gandhi Open University as a certified course in a pharmacy. Now, apart from them, many people are joining a diploma pharmacy because of only medical certificate. So what he can do after completed diploma in pharmacy, he started on medical store or getting a medical license and give the medical license or job as a registered pharmacist in a medical store. But that's not enough, because after in diploma pharmacy you can move a job and there is a multiple job is available. Pharmacy, you can open your own medical store. As I said, you can also join as a registered pharmacy in a medical store. As a you after diploma pharmacy, you can job in a pharma company like granulation, production, as well as assistant in a QA QC, as well as in a many low, medium or small company. You can join as a QA QC head, because he allows diploma pharmacy to in a QA QC, as well as you can work as a sales representative or medical representative in a pharma company. Or after diploma pharmacy, you can go further study to abroad, as well as for a job on abroad. So there is a after diploma pharmacy, that's not end. In diploma pharmacy, after diploma pharmacy, you can go in a multiple job offering, as well as in a multiple study. Okay, next sir. So moving towards the job. First of all, sir, medical store. You can open your medical store after completing of diploma pharmacy, but opening to medical store is a very costly, because you have to find out a prime location, or you can find out to have a good doctor, so he can prescribe and you can generate a fastest revenue. So if you open a on medical store, you can become an entrepreneur within a 20 to 22 years, and you can earn more than 50,000 or 1 lakh per month. But there is a challenge is, because you have to find out prime location, you have to invest more amount of money. As you discuss, listen last Sunday, there is a one session on the on medical store or in pharma medical store. So you aware about that. Second one, you work as a job registered pharmacist in a many hospital or in a chain system like Apollo Pharmacy, like Jan Dhan Medical Store. So you can joined as a registered pharmacy in a many medical store, but there is a starting salary is very low, 5,000, 6,000 to 10,000, and the future growth is very low in a registered pharmacist. Next is you can join a pharma company in a plant, but there is a few challenge, because the pharma company is situated in Ahmedabad, Baroda, Vapi, Ankleshwar in a prime location, and you have to move there. Second one is there is a shift system. First shift, second shift, third shift, 2 days first shift, second day is the second shift. Say last in 2 days is the third shift. So there is a shift system, and salary package is very low. Starting salary maybe 6,000, 8,000 to 10,000, and the increment is not in a systematic manner. Last one is a medical division. You can work after diploma pharmacy as a medical division. But as a pharma marketing is not an easy job, because you have to achieve a company's target. You have to learn many things. So after diploma pharmacy, if you joined as a medical representative as a pharma marketing, you start earning quickly, so quickly. Because whenever I complete the diploma pharmacy, I don't know about anything. I have a only thought process that after completing diploma pharmacy, I have to work in a medical store. But when I completed my internship in Rajkot, I'm go to meet all of the professor, and Mr. Ramesh sir suggest me to join pharma marketing. And Mr. Ramesh sir also give me 3 reference of pharma marketing company. So due to Ramesh sir, I am in a pharma marketing and doing well. Whenever I'm multiple time, I'm thanks to Ramesh sir, as Ramesh sir is known that. So if you join the pharma marketing, you can start earning so early, because there is no need to any investment amount, but you start a salary from within a one month. Next. So pharmaceutical company, there is a many department in pharmaceutical companies. The pharma function can be divided into 5. First of all, core function, sales and marketing, because each and every company, not only pharma, other company, the sales and marketing team is required. So is the main pillar of the any company. Second is regulatory department, which regulate the company. Third one is industry exposure, like manufacturing associate department like QA, QC, production, R&D, etc. Fourth one is research and development department, who is researching new molecule, new products, or new formulation for generate a revenue for pharma company. And last one is support department, which is a support to support like HR department as well as the logistic department. So it's many department in pharmaceutical, but core function is the sales and marketing. Next. So while sales and marketing after DPharm, first, as I said, you are a quick employment because the pharmaceutical market in India is a wide market, third largest market in India, in the world. Indian pharma is known as a world's pharmacist. So there is a more than a 40 billion US dollar revenue generated by year on year, and providing so many generic medicine to all over the world. As when I preparing this PPT, I search in Google. So I found that in news article, there is a more than 20,000 registered companies in India in 2018. Now in 2021, so there is more than 20,000 companies is there. So there is a job opportunity so wide. Second, you will be never unemployed because the pharma marketing is required by all and every company. So you are always in high demand. So if you left one company, you can join another company within a day. Third one is there is no any limit how much you can make money, because if you join pharma marketing, your package will be higher than a QA, QC, pharma medical store. Second one, in many, not many, always in all the company, if you achieve a target, you can get a good amount of incentive. You can get a daily allowance, traveling allowance, as well as you can gain sales incentive in a quarterly basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, as well as foreign trip is there in a pharma marketing. So there is no upper limit how much you can earn. You can earn 10 lakhs rupees in a year, or you can earn 3 lakhs rupees in a year. That's all about up to you. Next, sales and marketing job help you becoming a good person. Why? So you go to the previous slide. Because if you join a pharma marketing, you get to meet a many person day by day. There is a number of doctors. There is a 110 doctor, over 150 doctor is fixed. Some medical store is fixed. So you have meet n number of doctor, n number of pharmacists, as well as many medical representatives in a day by day. So you can learn many things. So after you joining a diploma pharma marketing, you become a politeness, optimism, carefulness, alertness, self-confidence, as well as you have to gain patience, maturity. So after in a pharma marketing, you develop yourself. Next. As I told, if you join a pharma marketing, you get many people in a day by day. A number of people you meet on regular basis. So what happened? There is a number of doctors fixed on your list. There is a number of chemists fixed on your list. So you meeting a day by day new doctor. So that's why doctor and you, both connection is so strong. So doctor knew you, as well as chemist know you, and as well as many medical representative know you. So it's helping to sociology whenever you, if any need, you can connect them. So there is a chance to meet many people. Now you can work in any industry. After pharma marketing, there is no limit. You can work in a FMCG segment. After pharma marketing, you can go in a political, because there is a many person after completing diploma of pharmacy from BK Modi, degree pharmacy from BK Modi, work as a pharma marketing, and now in a political, in a government job, in a own company. So there is a many example of pharma student or BK Modi student. So there is no limit. After diploma pharmacy or after marketing, you can do anything, and you can learn what you want to learn. After completing pharmacy, whenever you join the pharma marketing, you can learn what you like. Like if you want to learn a PG diploma course from IGNOU, or any open university, you can do. You can learn from YouTube also. Because as I like to learning in a pharma marketing, I learn IT segment. So you can learn anything what you want. Next. So there is a one structure how pharma company sales and marketing is structured. First, company CEO, below CEO there is a president and vice president. There is a difference from company to company, but in a general, in a top 50 company, this is a structure for pharma company organization, like CEO, president, below president, vice president, and general manager. After general manager, there is a two departments, एक sales and second one is marketing, because sales and marketing both are different. But whenever we speak, there is a speaking as sales and marketing, but sales are different, marketing difference. So in a marketing, there is a general manager, marketing manager, group product manager, assistant product manager, and product executive. Like Yugal Kishore Jethwani sir is in a marketing department, and I am in a sales side. So there is a both different. So why we both taking this all presentation? Because I want to give a brief in a sales, and Yugal Kishore give in a brief in a marketing. So as a sales side, first is a medical representative or senior medical representative. Above that, area manager. Above area manager, there is a regional manager, zonal manager, national sales manager, and general manager. So if you joined as a medical representative, the chances of getting promoted in above segment is high. Like after medical representative, you can promote as a area manager. After area manager, you can promote as a regional head. After regional, you can promote as a zonal head. So that's why this is the structure. How can you can get promoted? Next, sir. As I said, I am taking a sales part. So there is a two type of selling. First of all, consumer selling or direct selling. Like in a consumer FMCG segment, there is a product which is advertising in a media advertisement like FM, radio, TV, and who is a customer is a consumer. So product, you can buy a product from DMart, anything, and you consume that. So there is a call as a direct selling. And healthcare selling or pharma selling is not a direct selling, is an indirect selling. Why? Because the product is prescribed by doctor. Doctor is our customer, but doctor is not our consumer. So doctor decide to prescribe a medicine to consumer or to the patient. So that's why doctor is our customer, but the patient is not our customer. Patient is a consumer. So that's why healthcare selling is called as a indirect selling. So there is a two different, direct selling and indirect selling. Consumer product or FMCG selling is a direct selling. Healthcare selling is a indirect selling, because our customer is a doctor, not a patient. So doctor decide to prescribe medicine. That's why our customer is a doctor. Next. Next.
Is it who is the customer?
Our doctor is a customer, because the doctor prescribing our medicine and patient consume that. So patient is a consumer, but not our customer. Our customer is a doctor who decide to prescribe our medicine. Okay. Who is the customer? The customer for pharmaceutical business are doctor, mainly doctor, because doctor is a decider to prescribe our medicine, our brand to the patient. So our main customer is a doctor. After that, second one is a chemist who honor the prescription. If doctor prescribe the prescription, patient go to medical staff or pharmacist
Hello.
give the medicine. Yes, sir.
Dilip, I think there is a caption is on from your side.
Caption is on my side.
From both side, I think.
Caption maybe not, but let me see.
Okay.
So
Okay,
his screen is visible.
Yes, visible. Yes,
So
you may
any
start.
trouble in?
No. You may continue.
Okay, sir. No issue. So our second customer is a chemist. Main customer is a doctor. Second customer is a chemist who honor the prescription. Third one is stockist who supply medicine to the chemist. Fourth one is a CNF who is hold our medicine and provide to the stockies. And last one, patient for OTC product, like OTC product, many Cerelac, Eno is the OTC product. So he is our customer, but in a OTC segment. Next, sir. Okay. Promotional aid used for a doctor. As a Jignesh sir request me to inform you about that. Which are inputs given to medical representative to promote brand. So I mentioned this, prepared this slide for you all people to aware that how pharma marketing is work. So whenever you join a pharma marketing, company give you 4 day, 5 day, 10 days training program to how to communicate with your doctor, how to present your brand, how to handle literature or gift, how to give article and detailed article in front of your customer or doctor. So there is a training. In some company there is a 10 days training. In some company there is a 5 day training. Second thing, after joining a pharma marketing in a first day, after training, there is a area manager or senior medical rep or RSM come with you for 5 days, 7 days, and give a introduction with the doctor or give an introduction to the doctor. So he teach you how to work in a pharma field, how to do doctor's call, how to meet doctor, and how to communicate about our brand. So for the promoting our brand, company provide us Visualate. Visualate, there is a brand name, content, and which molecule work, how to work, or any study is there is mentioned in a Visualate. Second one is physical sample. Company provide you brand sample to examine it by doctor. If result is a high or low, any side effect is there or not there. So company provide a sample, and due to this sample, doctor recognize our brand. Third one is the literature. Literature is like a one page of printing, where is a brand name is mentioned, content is mentioned, and some even any studies or is there is mentioned in a literature. Fourth one is poster. Poster to remember a brand by doctor, as well as this poster is a patient's educational purpose also. So is a poster is a sticked at the in a doctor's chamber also, as well as in a hospital to for the patient awareness. 5. Gift article. Many companies provide a gift article to the doctor for recognize or remember his brand. 6 one is a journal or advertisement. If any nourish study as well as in new update is come, then company provide in a journal. Prescription paid. All doctor require prescription paid to prescribe a medicine. So many company provide a prescription paid as well as a print a file, print a prescription paid to the doctor. It means reference. If any product or if any molecule is highlighted in any association or in any CME, then company get them reference and print them and give to the doctor. Our brand is presented in this CME. Our brand is our molecule is presented in this organization. So also give a reference. 9 LBL, leave behind literature. That means after completing a doctor call, after showing our brand, you can put one reminder card in a doctor's chamber, so doctor can watch this and remember your brand. 10 stickers. As I told them, sticker and poster both are same. Clinical trials. If any trials come with in a molecule, then it is provided to the doctor. 12 sponsorship. Many company giving a sponsorship like in the behalf of medical advice medicine, patient awareness program. So is give a sponsorship in a so small number of amount. So this as per MCI guideline, not in a malnutrition, but as per MCI guideline, company provide a sponsorship. Third, participation in symptom and medical conference in a CME. So if in a day-to-day updation, like as you know, after diploma pharmacy or degree pharmacy, we have to do 2 days refreshment course. Same way, doctor health also want to do CME for refreshment course also. So that's why company organize CME or participate in CME also. Next, sir. Why need of medical representative? Why companies hire you as a medical representative? Because pharma marketing or healthcare marketing is a ethical product, cannot be promoted directly to patient through mass media. As you know, as you watching a TV or listening radio, you cannot any seen pharma marketing advertisement on a TV because is a prohibited. As per the law, you cannot marketing or advertise your product. So that's why company need a medical representative to promote your brand. And it is the end-to-end communication. You go to doctor, promote the brand, and come back. You cannot discuss your brand with a patient. Second, pharmaceutical or healthcare ethical product cannot be promoted through social media like Facebook, YouTube. You cannot put your brand on a Facebook or YouTube or any. You cannot do any email marketing. So that's why medical representative is required by each and every company. Second, there is a multiple competition is there because of number of companies in marketing and meeting a regular basis to the doctor. So remember your brand to in doctor's mind. All the pharma company required a medical representative. So there is a huge number of vacancies there. Next. So after this, what can you do in a degree pharmacy? And this session is taken by Yugal Kishore Jetwani, sir, because after diploma pharmacy, there is a market sales department which will taken by me. After B Pharma, there is a marketing department which is taken by Yugal Kishore Jetwani. So I invite you, Yugal Kishore Jetwani, sir, to give insight after degree pharmacy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, team. Yugal, sir, your mic is mute.
Yeah, sorry. Now is it audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Perfect.
Yes, it is audible.
So can I request all of you to just start your video, because otherwise what happens in as I'm in pharma marketing, but so here keeping the videos off, that means we are not actually physically or mentally present in the session and all. So I request, if possible, if you are not finding any technical problem, all of you can start your video. Or you can on your video part. Okay,
So start your video, but mic is mute.
हाँ, that's okay because क्या होता है, सुधाई जी मैं तुमने कहूँ छू, generally we are taking a lot of webinars and CMAs with the doctors. So in that, if doctors are keeping their video off, that means એ just ખાલી mentally physically present છે, કહેવા ખાતર ખાલી present કરે છે, બરાબર, present છે, but psychologically or mentally is not present. So if possible, because this presentation actually, it is not a presentation, it is the reality which we are having or which we are currently right now facing in the recent scenario. So this actually, what we have thought of, that it will be very we have tried to make it practical, logical, as well as what is the reality. So we are trying to match the perception with the reality. Okay, so thank you so much. Now I can see some of the videos which has been start off. Okay, so let me just take the opportunity to share my slides. Yeah. So are my slides visible? Dilip?
Yes, sir. You are visible now.
Yes,
Perfect.
it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, dear team, students, sir, principal, sir, everyone, we are just very much thankful to all of you for giving us this opportunity. Now, without wasting time, I just take some of the slides, and I want to run these slides, complete these slides as fast as possible, because our main purpose or the intention is to interact with all of you and just to provide you some of the solutions regarding how to progress ahead in the career. Okay. Yeah. So what to do after B Pharma? First of all, let me tell you, being a very practical, because I have seen both the phases. Actually, multiple phases I have seen. I have seen D Pharma also, B Pharma also, and MBA Pharma also, where I was actually intending to do the M Pharma, but then I have just changed my mind and I have done the MBA Pharma. So I have seen all these phases. Okay, so I can correlate with all of you regarding especially students, that how once you are in D Pharma, તમને અચ્છા, I'll try to be more in the Gujarati come English so that I can communicate well. I હું તમારી બધાની I can understand all yours psychological situation. મનોસ્થિતિ હું સમજી શકું છું બીકોઝ મેં ડી ફાર્મા પણ કર્યું છે, બી ફાર્મા પણ કર્યું છે, દેન એમબીએ ફાર્મા પણ કર્યું છે. ઓકે, સો આઈ કેન કોરિલેટ ઓલ ધોઝ ફેઝિસ ઓફ લાઈફ. ઓકે, ડી ફાર્મામાં જનરલી કેમ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ જાય છે કે દે આર નોટ એબલ ટુ ગેટ એડમિશન ઇન બી ફાર્મા, અને એમને મે બી બીએચએમએસ ને બધું કરવું ના હોય, then for a better prospects they have joined D Pharma. Okay, no issue. You're not done any bad thing. It is a wise decision, good decision. Okay, કારણ કે જો ડી ફાર્મા પછી સિરિયસલી ઇફ યુ ડોન્ટ વોન્ટ ટુ કન્ટિન્યુ ફર્ધર ઇન સ્ટડીઝ, ઓકે, યુ કેન સ્ટાર્ટ યોર ઓન કરિયર. જસ્ટ લાઈક જે દિલીપભાઈએ સ્લાઇડ્સ લીધી, બરાબર, you can start your medical store, you can start joining some of the pharma companies. Okay, you can start better of the sales part also, which is a MR. Trust me, MR માટે, MR ના નામથી જે લોકોને લાગે છે ને કે MR is a very bad job and all, I agree with you regarding, I can partially agree with you કે it is not a good job, but trust me, right now in current situation it is one of the respectful job. કેમ? કારણ કે I just tell you very practical. ધીરે ધીરે હવે બધી જે અલાઇડ ફાર્મા કંપનીઝ છે, જસ્ટ લાઈક Sun Pharma, Torrent Pharma, Lupin and all, they are taking for sales only pharma graduate guys, those who have pharma background. So D Pharma wada, jo dharo ki if they join some of these pharmaceutical companies as a sales representative, okay, trust me, for a month their package will be around 1.5 to 2 lakh for a year. I'm sorry, બરાબર, મતલબ મંથલી તમને એટલીસ્ટ 12,000 નું શોર્ટ પેકેજ મળે, એના ઉપર ટ્રાવેલિંગ અલાઉન્સ એન્ડ ડેલી અલાઉન્સ મળે, વિચ ઇઝ ઓલમોસ્ટ અરાઉન્ડ 200 to 220 rupees, 250 rupees around, બરાબર. પ્લસ નોટ ઓનલી ધેટ, you will be eligible to get them incentives also. જો તમારો ટાર્ગેટ અચીવ થઈ જાય, you can get quarterly 3 monthly incentive, which will range from additionally 20,000 to 1.5 lakh. બરાબર. So calculate કરતા જજો. See, we Gujaratis are mainly very strong in calculation. પૈસો ક્યાં આવે છે, we are more interested in that. Okay, so just calculate કરતા જજો. monthly 12,000 salary, બરાબર, પ્લસ સીએડીએ બને મળીને ઓલમોસ્ટ 3 થી 4,000 જેવું તમારો એડિશનલ પેકેજ બની જાય, 17,000, બરાબર. પ્લસ ક્વાર્ટરલી ઇફ યુ રન ક્વાર્ટરલી એટલે 3 મહિના પછી, તમારું દર મહિને ટાર્ગેટ થતું હોય તો 3 મહિના પછી તમને ઇન્સેન્ટિવ મળે. ઓકે, સો દેટ ઇન્સેન્ટિવ ઇઝ, હું જસ્ટ બેર મિનિમમ લગાવું છું 50,000. okay, so additionally 16,000 monthly you can get, so 17,000 plus 16,000, which is almost around 30,000. okay, plus આ બધું પતે તો તમને યરલી તમને બીજું એક મેગા ઇન્સેન્ટિવ મળે છે, તમારું આખા વર્ષનું ટાર્ગેટ અચીવમેન્ટ હોય, that is also ranging from 1.5 lakh almost. okay, so another 12,000 you can add, so 30,000 plus 12 to 15,000, which is almost around 45,000. So at the age of 20, if you are earning 45,000, it's not a bad thing. Trust me. Barabar? But that is for those colleagues who are actually not willing to, progress ahead in their career and they don't want to do the B Pharm or M Pharm. Okay, for them only it is advisable. But as my heart says that you should, think about or plan about B Pharma also, because graduation is a base minimum criteria for a good and progressive life. Okay, so here I will take the presentation of B Pharma. So once you have completed B Pharma, your opportunities will be coming with all of you, or to all of you, like a tree. તમને અહીંયા ઝાડ દેખાય છે, and on this tree there are multiple hanging fruits. Okay, so after B Pharma, your opportunities will be like a growing tree. Just like you can go for higher studies, B Pharma પછી higher studies તમે પ્લાન કરી શકો છો, which I personally say, if possible, please go for that, for higher studies, either for M Pharma, M Tech, or MBA and MS Pharma. Okay, there are multiple colleges are there, and you are lucky one that BK Modi has M Pharma seats also, and very soon they are coming with MBA Pharma seats also, and so these are the opportunities which you can grab. Okay, another is directly તમે B Pharma પછી જો if you are joining industry, okay, you can feature at multiple departments, just like production, QA, QC, R&D, jurisprudence, etc. Okay, so ત્યાં પણ તમે join કરી શકો છો. Another is you're totally coming into mainstream of pharma, which is sales and marketing. Okay, so marketing just like મેં જે રીતના ચાલુ કર્યું બરાબર, that way you can go it, take it ahead. or જો તમને લાગે કે ના યાર, I just wanted to be good with sales, because in marketing, like to tell you that in Gujarat, I can say, those reputed pharma are only three reputed pharma. One is Zentas, Torrent, and Eris Pharma. There are બાકીની બધી pharma companies almost મુંબઈમાં છે. Okay, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So it may be possible that for marketing you have to leave your home, you have to leave your hometown. Okay, then જો તમે એ બધું વસ્તુ તમે વિચારી શકતા હો, then it is good for you. If not, then you can be a part of sales team also. Okay, and trust me, you can earn mostly more than 50,000 or 60,000 in a month living in your own hometown. So nothing bad about that. Another is you can go with the training department also, because દરેક pharma company માં they have training department for training these sales representative guys, which are medical representative guys. So એના માટે training department પણ હોય છે. Okay, so you can join there as an opportunity. So this is an opportunity for all of you. One is you can be entrepreneur, you can start your own business just like medical store, plus you can start your own stockist shop also, which is a wholesaler. Okay, so wholesaler તમે બની શકો છો. For that minimum D pharma, B pharma license is enough. બરાબર. If you have good I can say monetary setup, if you have good backup with you, you can start all these things. Because medical store ચાલુ કરવા માટે almost you can have the monetary backup of almost, I can say, if you own the place, જો એ જગ્યા તમારી પાસે હોય બરાબર, તો additionally you can require 10 to 12 lakh of monetary backup. Okay, અને જો શોપ તમારે ખરીદી હોય બરાબર, so it depends on city to city, મતલબ you can calculate that, and plus along with that inventory backup of almost 10 to 12 lakh. અને જો તમારે stockist level ઉપર જવું હોય, so it requires more inventory set or more monetary setup. So gradually you can say more than 10 lakh of monetary backup, you can start your business as a stockist part also. Okay, and stockist level although margin ઓછું હોય, but you have to play in volume. તમે બલ્કમાં તમે રમી શકો. For example, you are purchasing worth of 1 lakh of medicine from XYZ pharma company. Okay, અને એ તમને that will give you at the margin of 7%. Okay, અને એ 7 to 10%. It may range from branded generic to the totally generic. બરાબર. So branded generic यानी જે કંપનીની રજિસ્ટર્ડ બ્રાન્ડેડ દવા હોય, those are called as branded generic. અને generics यानी totally generic, એનો પર just ખાલી સાદું અમથું પેકિંગ હોય. Okay, so that margin is varying from 7% to 10% for branded generic and maybe 20% for generic. તો તમે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી શકો છો. On 1 lakh of purchase, almost 7,000 is your margin, a direct margin, or 10,000. Okay, which you can even give further margin to the chemist. બરાબર. So stockist level, I can say you can earn monthly almost around 1 to 1.5 lakh. At a chemist level, you can earn as a profit, I'm saying, you can earn almost around 10 to 20,000, 30,000, almost 50,000 profit you can earn. So choice was yours. Initially you have to go for monetary setup and monetary backup, and then you can go with this kind of medical stores. Another is જો તમે અમુક courses કરી નાખો. Okay, for example, there is one international organization, that is World Intellectual Property Organization. In short, it is WIPO, WIPO. Okay, in that there are multiple free of cost courses also and paid courses also. If you do those courses and you complete those their own test, then you will get the certificate as a WIPO authorized or WIPO registered IPO officer. IPO ani intellectual property or organization officers. Okay, એનો meaning શું થયો? Company will hire you as a consultant or as an employee who will give them guidance uh, according to pharma law 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 and regulations of pharma practices. Okay, so company તમને હાયર કરી શકે છે એઝ અ કન્સલ્ટન્ટ, ઓર કંપની તમને એઝ અ એમ્પ્લોય પણ રાખી શકે છે. ઓકે, and you can give your consultancy as a or intellectual rights about the laws and regulations of pharma. બરાબર, તો એ વસ્તુ તમને ખબર પડી શકે છે. So that is also an opportunity. Oh, I'm sorry. Another is you can opt for some of the government jobs also, just like community pharmacy. Okay, દરેક હોસ્પિટલ જે ગવર્મેન્ટ હોસ્પિટલ્સમાં હોય એમાં એક ફાર્મસી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ પણ હોય છે. ઓકે, સો આફ્ટર ગિવિંગ સર્ટન એક્ઝામિનેશન્સ યુ કેન ઓપ્ટ ફોર કોમ્યુનિટી ફાર્મસી, યુ કેન ઓપ્ટ ફોર રેલવે ફાર્મસી ઓલ્સો, and you can opt for forensic pharmacy also. So this is an interesting opportunity where you can explore, but that is possible. Their minimum criteria is the graduation in pharmacy. Okay, plus there are another elite level of government job, just like drug inspector. There are multiple examples you can see. મતલબ જે even આપણા બીકે મોદીના એલ્યુમનીમાં પણ ઘણા બધા ડ્રગ ઇન્સ્પેક્ટર્સ છે, સ્ટેટ ડ્રગ કંટ્રોલર ઓફિસર્સ પણ છે and all, and some would have been progressed towards central drug controller also. Okay, so you can have the opportunity of drug inspector, central drug controller, state drug controller, or hospital pharmacy and all. So this is also, you know, one of the very interesting opportunity we can have after graduation in pharmacy. So what I request, if you are in B Pharm, don't get disheartened that there is no job opportunity after B Pharm. There are a lot of opportunities after B Pharm. But what I personally say, as a student, as a I can say part of alumni, that if possible, please go for higher studies. If possible, if your monetary condition, your family allows, please go for higher education, because the career growth will be multidimensional after post graduation. But if not, still we can have, you know, multiple possibilities which we can opt for. And those who are D Pharma, if your family doesn't allow you, or your financial condition doesn't allow you to progress ahead in studies, no issue. There are multiple opportunities, but if possible, please go for B Pharma. Okay, and right now multiple colleges are available for B Pharma. Okay, so that you can get your B Pharma education. So after B Pharma, there are multiple possibilities available, but where I am very much interested is about the Master of Pharmacy. Okay, that is a or master's course or post graduation course, because after that, as I have depicted here, your growth will be multidimensional. તમને ખબર પણ નહીં પડે કે તમે કઈ જગ્યાએ સીડી ચાલુ કરી and where you have reached. Okay, because you can have, first of all, તમારું ગ્રુપ એટલું મોટું થઈ ગયું હશે કે you know ક્યાં તમારા છેડા લાગી જાય તમને પણ ખબર નહીં પડે. Another is, even your within this industry you will have, you know, you have relationship multiple colleagues. Okay, you know, multiple colleagues, so they will also help you regarding how to progress ahead in your career. Okay, so તમારું આખું પોતાનું ગ્રુપ એટલું મોટું થઈ જાય, you have multiple options to grow in your life. Okay, if I just go after the so before the MBA Pharma, I like to tell you about the masters in pharmacy. Okay, so you can have the M Pharma. I have not taken any slide of M Pharma, but I just tell you verbally. So M Pharma pachi, there are multiple options within Gujarat. You have multiple colleges. So one is our BK Modi also, and trust me, the faculty of BK Modi is very good in especially the entire B Pharma as well as M Pharma, because the number of PhDs we are having in BK Modi, I think right now it is one of the highest in Gujarat. One of the highest in Gujarat, not even in LM Pharma. Okay, so this is one point. Another is there are multiple good colleges in MBA, in M Pharma in Gujarat. And plus, if you want to explore ahead, if you can get good GPAT score, I don't know whether GPAT is continuing. Sir, GPAT is continuing right now, or some another course has come, examination has come? Jaydeep sir?
Yes, it is GPAT. GPAT examination.
If student is clear the GPAT, it is an additional advantage. They will get the stipend. If they are not able to clear the GPAT, but still student has a chance to pass the common entrance exam after graduation.
Correct,
That
sir.
PG set
So,
that is taken by SCPC, and through that also they are admitted, because many GPET qualified students approach to NIPER and ICT and all other institute. So after ranking will be considered first GPET student, and then this common PG set through they come in a merit list, and
so PG
according
set
to
is
that
PG set is
the
taken by so ICT PG exam पर मतलब enter करना है, that is PG
SCPC
set.
SCPC Ahmedabad, that is a government that is Commissionerate of Technical Education comes under.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing. So, thing is, malab, you know that part. So, students, what I'm trying to say that after GPET you have multiple colleges to feature. So, what I request you GPET માટે બહુ સારી રીતના તૈયારી કરો, ફોકસ વેથી તૈયારી કરો, સ્ટ્રેસ લઈને કામ નહીં કરવાનું, ફોકસ રાખવાનું, મહેનત કરવાની, ફૂલ મહેનત કરવાની. Give your utmost potential for this, okay? And don't ever think that હું તો રાજકોટમાં છું યાર, તો મારી આગળ તો અમદાવાદના છે અને આખા ઓલ ઇન્ડિયાના છે. I have told in my initially also BK Modi માંથી પણ ઘણા બધા meritorious students નીકળ્યા છે, those who have done very well in the all India entrance examination also. 2 times BK Modi has featured amongst the number on all India, okay? And various multiple meritorious students also. So it is up to you કે તમે કઈ રીતના preparation કરો છો. And trust me, I'm just saying by heart, at that time અમે લોકો જ્યારે હતા બરાબર, so when we were in fourth year pharma, then BK Modi નો જે the teaching staff છે એ entries થવા માંડ્યો હતો, thanks to the leadership of Jayant Chawda sir, because he has done utmost hard work along with all the dedicated I can say faculty there. So we have got very good guidance from them, okay? And they have given us very good insights also about the preparation. So now you all are lucky enough to have such a staff in BK Modi. જે અમારા when we were in second year and third year, અમારા ટાઈમે આટલો બધો સ્ટાફ નહોતો, to be very honest with all of you, બરાબર? But once the staff get appointed and we were getting various PhDs also during this part, so we are getting good guidance from all of them. So you all are lucky enough. તો એના માટે મહેનત કરો, બરાબર? સ્ટ્રેસ લઈને મહેનત નહીં કરવાની, મહેનત કરવાની, સારી રીતના મહેનત કરવાની with utmost confidence also. And trust me, you can appear well in this GPET. And after that જે પણ અત્યારે બાકીના layers આવ્યા છે, because which I'm to be honest we're not aware of, જે હમણાં સરે કીધું ACPC છે and all. So one is Gujarat level colleges, that also you can appear. One is if you really want to explore high, okay, you have multiple national universities also, just like ICT. One is Bombay College of Pharmacy. One is Punjab in Punjab, that is Punjab Technical University PTU, that also you can explore. And one is one you can give NIPER G. So through that you can get the exposure of NIPER. And see, all these education institutes are very good, okay? But once you go to NIPER, okay, here to be honest, I'm not here trying to recommend NIPER as a first priority. It depends on your own career graph. But NIPER pachi, because NIPER will give you MS Pharma, it doesn't give you M Pharma, it gives you MS Pharma. So with MS Pharma, what is an advantage for all of us, that if you want to go to US, okay, then US they consider MS Pharma, okay? And right now in India, maybe if I'm not updated, please pardon me, MS Pharma is provided by NIPER, okay? So that you can take this as an opportunity. And NIPER, they have good setup for MS Pharma and multiple another because ત્યાં ખાલી MS Pharma એક બે particular subjects માં નથી થતા, they have multiple branches. And plus they have also very strong alumni, so through that you can get the advantage of that. And plus so all these universities are there. But what I have told you, that which are the very good strong national universities, which are those are very much reputed. So one is ICT, one is Bombay College of Pharmacy, one is Punjab Technical University, one is NIPER. So So all these are very good national universities. So there also you can explore your career. Okay, and but that doesn't mean कि गुजरात में तुम्हें M.Pharm करी तो नहीं कोई value नहीं. No, you can have very good opportunity here also, and multiple good colleges are here also. So that also you can explore. And meanwhile, the important is just to be try update yourself. જેટલું પણ થઈ શકે તમે book reading along with the internet surfing. But internet surfing, that doesn't mean this Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and all. It means કે તમે વધારે ને વધારે ગૂગલમાં સર્ચ કરીને પોતાની જાતને અપડેટ કરતા રહો કે કઈ કઈ જગ્યાએ કઈ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીઝ અવેલેબલ છે. ઓકે, so that is about the M Pharma as well as MS Pharma. Another is what I'm trying to make you understand that if you are really want to make your career after MBA Pharma, it is very lucrative, very I can say good opportunity, good growth. So these are some of the top national universities for MBA Pharma. One is Naipur Mohali, that is SAS Nagar. One is Naipur Hyderabad. One is D.Y. Patel Institute University, Navi Mumbai. One is Narsimhanji. So here I have mentioned the cost of fee also, and as well as examination for eligibility. So Naipur ni fee hai for MBA Pharma. Yeah, one thing I just missed to cover, which sir has told about the stipend. So M Pharma, after M Pharma, you'll be eligible for 8 or 8,000 almost. Mara time is 8,500 હતો. I don't know right now it is at what level, what amount we are getting. So you're getting stipends also. So those students who just wanted to do good in M Pharma or MS Pharma, they can get stipends so that they can you can say તમારી side job એ time ચાલુ side job. You can start like getting those stipends, so it will help you as well as your family also. But for MBA Pharma, there is no stipends. 2 years you have to invest yourself, but after this 2 years of investment, you can get good amount of return once you complete this MBA Pharma. Okay, so just like Naipur Mohali Mathi, if you complete MBA Pharma, the fee is 3.5 lakh for 2 years. So per semester, if you divide it by 4, okay, so it will be almost around 80 to 85,000 per semester. Semester yani 6 months. Okay, so per year fee it will be around 17,000 plus 1,70,000 plus. Okay, so for 2 years it will be 3.5 lakh. The eligibility criteria is GPAT as well as Naipur G. Okay, and Naipur Hyderabad also they have started almost 2 to 3 years back, I can say, or maybe 5 years back. So there the fee is also same, and criteria for eligibility is GPAT as well as Naipur G. હવે Naipur G exam આપ્યા પછી પણ they will take your group discussion and personal interview. Okay, કે તમે બોલવા કરવામાં કેવા છો, એક્સપ્રેસિવ છો. Okay, they will like to check your confidence. Okay, for example, મારો all India entire Naipur G rank was 185, but એના પછી જ્યારે મારો GD અને PI interview થયો. Okay, so I was also just like all of you, studied from BK Modi, and plus તમારા બધાની જેમ I had also the background of secondary as well as higher secondary education in Gujarati medium. Okay, so I was also like of you, but I have prepared little bit more for GDPI, group discussion, personal interview. So એના આ બંને પત્યા પછી મતલબ આ ત્રણેય વસ્તુ, Naipur G ranking plus Naipur G score plus GD plus PI, then my score was all India number 10. Okay, so because though my vocabulary was not good at that time, they have seen my confidence, my preparation. Okay, so that at that part also I can help you once you are at that part. So I can help you for this. So I got a good rank in this, and I got all India number 10 rank. So that can help you during this preparation. One is D.Y. Patel University. Then थोड़ी વધારે.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello. Hi, Yugal Ki sir.
Yes, sir.
Ha, sir.
हाँ जी, sir.
We have 5 minutes for presentation, and then we will have
अच्छा.
the question answer session. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you, sir. So the fee is high. Okay, 2 years fee is 8,40,000. So per year it is 4,20,000. Okay, so but it is worth to spend that amount in D.Y. Patel University because it is a reputed one, and you can get good campus interview during this college courses. Just like Naiparji Mare, I got the campus interview of Glenmark. I got interview for Zydus Pharma, Zydus Cadila. So I got selected in Zydus Cadila. Okay, because at that time GSK was providing sales profile, but I was more interested in marketing profile. So I explored Zydus, and there I got selected. Another is Narsi Monjee Mumbai, and Narsi Monjee is also in another college is in Maharashtra. Their college fee is very high, which is almost around 12.60 lakh. So in a year, it is almost around 7 lakh. Okay, but trust me, they provide a good qualitative education. But as a person, if I like to say, many people prefer as Narsi Monjee also. But trust me, you can get the same opportunity from Naipar regarding campus interview, and same opportunity for Narsi Monjee. And plus, after GPAT, they will take their own examination, that is NMAT. Okay, so it is also in good university. Another is DIPSA, Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research. They also started MBA Pharma. Okay, way back. So that is also good university. Another is what we have heard of, that BK Modi is also going to come for MBA Pharma. So it is a very interesting opportunity. जो तमने थई सके, then go for it. Please go for it and get this opportunity. Okay, so. And plus, as I told, that there are multiple another institutes who are providing MBA Pharma. You can go to Google and you can explore. Okay, so just my two last slides after this. That journey of life post MBA Pharma is very much encouraging, because from the first year, if you get selected in marketing, you can get almost 4 to 5 lakh per year per annum. Yani monthly tamaru થઈ ગયું almost 35 to 40,000. But it will grow very progressively. Okay, malab within 6 to 7 years, you can multiply by salary from this almost around 3 to 4 times within 5 years. So there is one of the fastest career growth in this field, that is marketing. One is consultancy, and they are more into project management. Just like Novartis company છે, બીજી ઘણી બધી મતલબ here I can take few of their name. One is Novartis, one is Zeus in Delhi Gurgaon. There are multiple another companies are there who just try to take you as a consultant for project management. So they will give you certain projects, and એના પર તમારે કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં રિપોર્ટ બનાવીને આપવાની. Okay, so you can get there as a project manager, and they have multiple profiles, just like analytical manager, forecast manager. So here also you can start your salary from 4 to 5 lakh per annum. Okay, and here also the career opportunity is very fast. Just like to take one example, one of my colleague who was in Naipar, Mohali, he is right now in he has started his career from CS, and then he has joined Novartis, and right now he is in Glenmark Pharma as a project manager, and his current salary is almost around 24 to 25 lakh. So I'm telling you, within 10 years, his salary is right now almost 24 to 25 lakh per annum. That means monthly and salary is almost 1.5 lakh. Okay, so that kind of opportunity you can have, and plus there has been various opportunity in administration part also. You can prepare for IAS, IPS, and jo તમે exam pass કરી, you will have a special grade for this part, because you can be considered as a health officer. Okay, so even તમે example જો our past health minister Dr. Harshvardhan sir, બરાબર. So he has also that kind of strong education background. So then you can move towards politics also, or kind of administration job also. Plus you can also apply in Supreme Court or High Court as a health officer. I have 3 to 4 friends who have applied as a health officer in Supreme Court, in High Court, and right now they are associated with that, and they are right now maybe grade 2 or grade 3 level of officer. So that is also a very good job, because કોઈ stress નથી, government job છે, પોતાનું કામ કરો શાંતિથી, and they are earning good amount of money also. Not like us, but શાંતિવાળી job છે. My job is little bit challenging, because I have to do targets also. I have to meet the target, I have to meet the expectation. Trust me, after this lecture, I have to start making presentation for the coming meetings which are on Saturday and Friday and Saturday. So આના પછી હું એ કામ કરવાનો છું. So life is like that. So here you can have some relaxed life. you can earn well also. Okay, so as Jignesh sorry આપણે આને પહેલા દિલીપે જે સ્લાઇડ લીધેલી, so post MBA pharma you can have this level of jobs. So from this route you can also go for general manager, vice president, president and CEO. Barabar. So I can say you can have both the career aspects. From the field also you can progress here. There are multiple examples in pharma field. જેમણે as a MR તરીકે ચાલુ કરેલું ને, they have reached up to president level or CEO level also. I have seen multiple examples, and I have seen also examples those that started from marketing. Okay, so directly before MBA pharma pachi maybe they will give you assistant product executive and then assistant product manager, and then you can progress ahead. Right now I am at this situation. Okay, and each layer will take almost 3 years to progress. Okay, but I'm lucky enough that within this 10 years I got this level, and maybe if grace of God then I can reach up to this level within 4 to 5 years. Okay, so this way you can also progress ahead. So my last slide is about this information is, as I told, that after 10 years you can reach up to 18 lakh per year, or maybe 20 lakh or plus in year in consultancy, or in administration you can reach up to 15 to 18 lakh after 10 years. So life is very progressive, life is very bright after MBA pharma or M pharma, MS pharma. Okay, so this I'm don't like to take that because it is more of a marketing part. We have multiple roles, just like brand launch કરવી, brand કઈ launch કરવી, કઈ ના launch કરવી, શું strategy શું હોઈ શકે all India, શું tactics હોઈ શકે, decision making, then tactics, planning, training. We have multiple aspects in marketing. Okay, so last slide is about last two just very motivational slides. Don't think yourself, because this is one of the very strong mentality કે pharma કોણ આવે છે. In pharma field we come by as a default, not by choice. Most of these people will agree with me કે આપણે જે પણ pharma આવ્યા છે, બરાબર, we have come not by choice but by default. બરાબર. So we consider ourselves failure or fail. Don't consider like this, because each failure you consider as a stepping stone, and this stepping stone will lead to success. Okay, because first of all let me tell you, this is not a failure, this is just a start. Score of almost 87% in merit. Okay, I was getting self-finance in MBBS and BTS also, but I was not having money at that time, that huge amount of money. So that's why I joined even B Pharma. Can you imagine? I was missed by one part. B Pharma government. મારી એટલી પણ capacity નથી કે I can join self-finance.
તમારું માઇક ચાલુ છે, ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ આવે છે.
So I joined the route of D Pharma. D Pharma થી મેં B Pharm કર્યું, B Pharma થી મેં MBA Pharma કર્યું, and then right now I am here. Even I'm not saying કે હું બહુ successful છું. No, it is I reached the half part of the success. So that's why it's very important to discover the new you. Who are you? You have to understand, and then you have to progress in life. Why I'm relating this slide with all of you? Because as I told that second year માં મને બહુ ઈચ્છા હતી કે I was little bit good in academics અને meritorious હતો. તો what I was thinking I will do yaar M Pharma, I will go to abroad and I will become a PhD and all. But જેવો second year પતો આવ્યું, મારી હવા નીકળી ગઈ, because I was getting more and more pressure for regarding just to complete my graduation and post graduation and to start the job as fast as possible, or to just contribute to my family as fast as possible. So at that time I realized that I should go for MBA Pharma. Third year માં મેં નક્કી કર્યું, અને આ વસ્તુ મેં મારા મમ્મી પપ્પાને પણ નથી કીધી, because they were having in mind કે હું M Pharma કરીશ, સ્ટાઇપન્ડ ચાલુ થઈ જશે, તો એમની ઇન્કમ ચાલુ થઈ જશે. ઇન્કમ ઇન ધ સેન્સ ફેમિલીને કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન. ઇવન મારા પપ્પાને હું નાઇપરમાં લઈ ગયો, બરાબર, એ ટાઈમે પણ મેં કીધું, જ્યારે મારું ઇન્ટરવ્યુ ને બધું પતી ગયું, મારું રેન્ક આવી ગયો, 10th રેન્ક આવ્યો, ત્યારે મેં પપ્પાને કીધું, પપ્પા હું M Pharma નથી કરવા માંગતો, હું MBA Pharma કરવા માંગુ છું. So at that time my family was not convinced, બરાબર. I have tried to make them convince with the help of multiple another colleagues. પછી લોકો convince થયા. That 2 years of MBA Pharma was very challenging for me, because stipend નહોતું, મારી ફી ભરવી પડતી હતી. I have taken education loan. from Bank of Baroda. I have taken education loan. Okay. So a bharya pachi I have completed my MBA Pharma, and then I have started my job. But after taking this education loan, once I started earning, okay, let me tell you, I have completed all this EMIs or installation within 3 or 3.5 years. 3.5 વર્ષમાં મેં આખી installation પતાવી દીધી. Okay, so this way you can progress in your life. So that's it from my side. I just try to show reality that how we can progress in life. So that's enough I can say for slide presentation. Now we can start interaction with all of you. Any query, any question in your mind, please feel free to open your mic, to start your mic, and you can ask us.
So question answer session is open now. Any students have query, questions, they can ask definitely.
Malay sir, good afternoon. Malay sir was there. Yeah. So students, તમે લોકો મતલબ don't get shy, don't get with કે ભાઈ શું પૂછીએ શું ના પૂછીએ, just feel free. ગુજરાતીમાં પૂછો, ઇંગ્લિશમાં પૂછો, જે તમને લાગે, just open your heart and you can ask your question.
Yes, student. If you any question regarding marketing, sales, or any about further study, you can ask the question.
Even આજનો સેશન બાઉન્સર પણ ગયો હોય તો પણ તમે કહી શકો છો. There is no issue
હા,
in
પૂછી
that.
શકો છો. If you don't understand any slide or any segment, you can ask the question about that also.
Sir, I have a question. Myself,
Yes,
Dr.
yes.
Jaydeep.
Yes, sir.
Whatever discussed today regarding marketing side. So while you are recruiting freshers, what quality you need in your candidate?
Correct. દિલીપ, આપશો તમે?
યસ સર. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ સર, તમને હું અને તમને પ્લસ સ્ટુડન્ટને હું તમને જણાવવા માંગીશ કે ફાર્મા માર્કેટિંગમાં અત્યારમાં બીકોમ ને બીએ સ્ટુડન્ટ ઘણા બધા છે અને કંપની ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરતી હોય છે કે ફાર્મા માર્કેટિંગમાં બીફાર્મ સ્ટુડન્ટ પહેલા આવે, બીકોઝ બીફાર્મ સ્ટુડન્ટ આવશે, બીફાર્મ અથવા ડીફાર્મ સ્ટુડન્ટ આવશે તો એમને ટ્રેનિંગ ઓછી આપવી પડશે, પ્લસ એનું કોમ્યુનિકેશન સારું હશે. જેમ કે હાઇડ્રોક્લોરોક્વિન એ આપણે બોલવું હોય તો આપણે ફાર્મસી સ્ટુડન્ટ બોલી શકશે, પણ તમે બીકોમ બીએ સ્ટુડન્ટ અથવા બીએસસી સ્ટુડન્ટ પણ બોલવા કહેશો ને તો હાઇડ્રોક્લોરોક્વિન ને કંઈ નવું અલગ જ બનાવી દેશે. સો ફાર્મા સ્ટુડન્ટને નોલેજ હોવાથી કંપની ફાર્મા સ્ટુડન્ટને પહેલા હાયર કરશે, એઝ અ ફ્રેશર પણ એઝ અ એક્સપિરિયન્સ પણ. બીકોઝ અત્યારે 30% જ ખાલી ફાર્મા બીફાર્મ સ્ટુડન્ટ માર્કેટિંગમાં છે, 60 to 70% બીકોમ ને બીએ સ્ટુડન્ટ માર્કેટમાં છે in a pharma marketing. So company hire BPharm or diploma pharmacy student in a first priority is fresher or experience. Suppose for મારું એક્ઝામ્પલ, મારી અંડરમાં જો વેકેન્સી હશે તો હું પેલા જો ડિપ્લોમા ફાર્મસી ફ્રેશર હશે અને બીકોમ સ્ટુડન્ટ એક્સપિરિયન્સ હશે તો હું ફર્સ્ટ પ્રાયોરિટી ડિપ્લોમા ફાર્મસી ફ્રેશરને આપીશ, કેમ કે એમના માટે કંપનીને જે પે આઉટ કરવું પડે, જે કંપનીને એક્સપેન્સ કરવો પડે એ ઓછો કરવો પડશે. Yeah, Yugal sir, if anything
Very true.
you want to add.
નહીં, વેરી ટ્રુ, બિકોઝ મતલબ અત્યારે ફાર્મા મસ્ટ થઈ ગયું છે. ઇવન મેં તમને જેવું કીધું કે ઓલ ધીસ અલાઇડ ગ્રુપ ઓફ કંપનીઝ જસ્ટ લાઈક સન ફાર્મા, ટોરેન્ટ, ઇન્ટાસ, એરિસ, યુ કેન ટેક ઓલ ઇન્ડિયાની જેટલી પણ ટોપ 20 કંપનીઝ છે, બરાબર, they all are taking D pharma or B pharma must. They should complete even જેનું ongoing હોય ને એમને પણ નથી લેતા. So forget about now this BCom and all these students. The first important criteria is either D pharm or either B pharm, and then they will try to, because અત્યારે શું છે કે now life has become more and more qualitative. Now industry is more requiring the quality people. Because પહેલા શું હતું કે પહેલા જ્યારે કામ ચાલી જતું હતું કે ભાઈ વાંધો નહીં, માણસ એક્સપિરિયન્સ છે તો દેન કામ થઈ જતું હતું, બટ નાઉ the life is becoming much more challenging and much more competitive. So that's why the industry is also now focusing more on the quality candidates. So that's why I request all of you the minimum requirement is D Farm and B Farm. That is the education requirement. Along with that, what I request all of you, થોડું તમે છે ને ઇંગ્લિશમાં થોડું બોલવાનું તમે લોકો ટ્રાય ચાલુ કરો, બરાબર? જસ્ટ લાઈક સી ટ્રસ્ટ મી, આઈ વોઝ ઓલ્સો લાઈક વન ઓફ યુ, બરાબર? હવે તમે લોકો જે અત્યારે મારું આ વર્ઝન જે જોઈ રહ્યા છો, દેટ ઇઝ આફ્ટર having 10 years of experience. Okay, so just imagine I was also like all of you કે ભાઈ ગુજરાતી એજ્યુકેશન, ગુજરાતી હાયર સેકન્ડરી મેં કર્યું, બરાબર? એન્ડ then અહીંયા જ મેં એજ્યુકેશન લીધું, બરાબર? then when I just applied for NIPER G, બરાબર, they will just check my confidence. but એના માટે મેં બહુ તૈયારી કરેલી. just like English જે પણ ન્યૂઝપેપર આવે છે, બરાબર, just try to read this newspaper, okay, loudly. તો જેટલું તમે લાઉડલી બોલતા જશો એટલો તમને કોન્ફિડન્સ આવતો જશે. એન્ડ એક વસ્તુ હું હજુ હમણાં પણ આમાં હું કરું છું. આઈ જસ્ટ ટેલ યુ, આઈ જસ્ટ મેક માય ઓન ડિક્શનરી. ઇન દેટ આઈ ટ્રાય ટુ એડ મોર એન્ડ મોર વર્ડ્સ, બરાબર? એન્ડ ધોઝ વર્ડ્સ આઈ ટ્રાય ટુ like to say that I like to utilize those words in my day-to-day communication. જે હું બોલું છું, બરાબર? So see, all these things na important is about skill. અત્યારે even જે આપણા પ્રધાનમંત્રી સર છે, બરાબર, they have started the program just like Skill India, Scale India, બરાબર? તો સ્કિલ ઉપર બહુ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ધ્યાન અપાય છે. એના માટે સ્કિલ માટે સૌથી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઇઝ એજ્યુકેશન, મિનિમમ ડી ફાર્મા, બી ફાર્મા, પ્લસ યુ શુડ ડેવલપ સમ મોર એન્ડ મોર ગુડ ક્વોલિટેટિવ સ્કિલ. તમારું ઇંગ્લિશ થોડું તમે કમ્યુનિકેશન ઓર સુધારવાનો તમે ટ્રાય કરો તમે. અને ઇંગ્લિશ ડઝન્ટ મીન કે ભાઈ રટ્ટા મારો ને આ રીતના, બરાબર, તમે ગોખી મારો, આપણી જે સિમ્પલ લેંગ્વેજમાં આપણે કહીએ છીએ, બરાબર? બટ ઇટ ઇઝ મોર અબાઉટ તમને ક્યારે કોન્ફિડન્સ આવશે જ્યારે તમારામાં કન્ટેન્ટ હશે, તમારામાં નોલેજ હશે, બરાબર? નોલેજ આવશે તો શબ્દો ધીમે ધીમે ગોઠવાઈ જશે. ઇનિશિયલી થોડું તકલીફ પડશે, બટ જેવું તમારામાં નોલેજ જોરદાર હશે, દેન ગ્રેજ્યુઅલી આ બધા શબ્દો તમને છે ને તમારામાં ગોઠવાઈ જશે. સો knowledge is very much important. જેટલું તમારામાં સારું નોલેજ હશે, સ્ટ્રોંગ નોલેજ હશે, you can progress more. Yes sir.
Yes, one more question is regarding this marketing. Jignesh sir, mic બંધ કરજો ને જરા. So what is the role of MR with medical representative, role of MR with doctor, role of MR with wholesaler and some other channel while he goes to the market? So what are the basic function with all the different channels?
Yeah Dilip, go for it.
Okay. First of all, the role of medical representative is that you have to meet a doctor day by day, because actually તમારું ડોક્ટર એક ફિક્સ હશે કે તમારા લિસ્ટમાં 110 ડોક્ટર અથવા તો 120 ડોક્ટર હશે, તમારે એમને રેગ્યુલર મળવાનું. અને પ્લસ કંપની ટુ કંપની વેરિએશન હશે કે ભાઈ તમારે દિવસના 10 ડોક્ટરને મળવાનું અથવા દિવસના 12 ડોક્ટરને મળવાનું અને તમારી બ્રાન્ડ એમને પ્રેઝન્ટ કરવાની. સો તમારે ડે બાય ડે એમને, સપોઝ અમુક ડોક્ટરનો મંથમાં 3 વિઝિટ હશે, અમુક ડોક્ટરની મંથમાં 2 વિઝિટ હશે, તો એ કંપની તમને ડિસાઇડ કરીને આપશે. પ્લસ તમે ડોક્ટર મળીને કેવી રીતે કોમ્યુનિકેટ કરશો, કેવી રીતે એમને બ્રાન્ડ તમારી પ્રેઝન્ટ કરશો, એ પણ કંપની તમને એઝ અ ટ્રેનિંગ આપશે. અને અત્યારે ડ્યુ ટુ કરંટ સિનારીઓ કોવિડના લીધે એમને ઓનલાઈન ટ્રેનિંગ આપે છે. બાકી ફિઝિકલ ટ્રેનિંગ પ્રાઇમ લોકેશન પર લાઈક લોનાવાલા, મુંબઈ, અમદાવાદ એવી જગ્યાએ તમને 7 days ટ્રેનિંગ, 10 days ટ્રેનિંગ કંપની પ્રોવાઈડ કરે છે. સેકન્ડ થિંગ, after 3 months in every quarter there is a one meeting, 2 days meeting or 3 days meeting to develop yourself as well as any new brand regarding, or if any કોઈ નવી કોઈ સ્ટડી વગેરે આવશે તો each and every 3 month તમને એ અપડેટ કરતા રહેશે અને તમને એકચ્યુઅલી આખી ડિટેલિંગ સ્ટોરી પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે કે જે તમારે આ ડોક્ટરને જઈને ડિટેલી એમને કરવી પડશે. સો તમારી રોલ્સ અને રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી છે તમે જે કંપની તરફથી તમને બ્રાન્ડનું કોમ્યુનિકેશન પાસ આઉટ થાય એ તમે ડોક્ટર સુધી પહોંચાડો, તમારા કસ્ટમરને બ્રાન્ડનું આખું ડિટેલ કરો, એઝ વેલ એઝ તમને કોઈ ઇનપુટ્સ, કોઈ ગિફ્ટ્સ, કોઈ LBL, કોઈ સ્ટીકર્સ કંપની પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે, એ તમારે તમારા કસ્ટમર એટલે કે ડોક્ટર સુધી તમારે એમને પહોંચાડવાનું રહેશે. એ તમારી મેઇન રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી. પ્લસ કોઈ ડોક્ટર અથવા કેમિસ્ટની કોઈ ક્વેરી હશે, કોઈ મોલેક્યુલ રિગાર્ડિંગ, કોઈ સાઇડ ઇફેક્ટ રિગાર્ડિંગ, તો એ કોમ્યુનિકેશન તમારી કંપનીમાં અપર મેનેજમેન્ટ સુધી, તમારા એરિયા મેનેજર, તમારા RSM અથવા કંપની સુધી પહોંચાડવું એ તમારી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી. એટલે તમારી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી બંને સાઈડ છે, આઈધર અપર સાઈડ પણ અને લોઅર સાઈડ પણ. એટલે તમારી ડોક્ટર ટુ કોમ્યુનિકેટ અપર સાઈડ તમે મેનેજરને કોમ્યુનિકેટ કરો અને મેનેજર કે કંપનીનું કોમ્યુનિકેશન તમે ડોક્ટર સુધી પાસ ઓન કરો. આ તમારી મેન જોબ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી છે. યસ સર. જી યુગલ સર, ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ એનીથિંગ એડ.
Okay. Last question from my side, sir. Before 15 year back, I was also a medical representative from Mark, and uh, at that time we were using all those things by paperwork only and physically meet and all. So, what is the digital marketing role current scenario in pharma marketing? Is there any digital side we are using for marketing and all?
Yeah.
Can kindly elaborate it?
Yeah. So, see, basically, what Dilip has brief na, it is brief as a wholesome scenario. So, basically, जो હું તમને એકદમ શોર્ટમાં તમને કહું, so I'm just putting your question into two aspects. કે what is actually role of a medical representative, and how now, because post COVID digital marketing, how it has helped. Okay, how it has changed the practice of dimension. So particularly, see, there is a difference between hawkers and medical representatives. Hawkers શું છે? Hawker are ફેરિયા, બરાબર? જે આપણે કહીએ છીએ ફેરિયા શું, એમને જે પણ વસ્તુ આવી એમને વેચો, બરાબર? In medical representative also, the aim is ultimately selling your products, but we are not hawkers, we are the scientific managers. We are the scientific managers because we are selling science, and by selling science we are trying to get our product exposed to the doctor, and then we are getting the, in benefit of that, we are getting the sales of our brands. We are getting the favor from the doctors that doctor hamari brand rakhe. So that is our basic job. So we are scientific managers. So actually the role of this scientific, so that rather than MR, I can say we are the scientific managers. Scientific managers નું કામ છે doctor ને રેગ્યુલરલી મળવાનું, એમના જોડે રિલેશનશિપ બિલ્ડઅપ કરવાનું. ઓકે, એન્ડ ઇન વર્જ ઓફ દેટ વી આર ગેટિંગ સેલ્સ ફ્રોમ ધેમ. સ્ટોકિસ્ટ અને કેમિસ્ટ શું છે કે એને ત્યાં આપણું જે રોટેશન છે સેલ્સ, બરાબર, એ થાય એના માટેનું અમારે ચેક કરતા રહેવાનું કે ભાઈ ડૉક્ટરનું પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શન આવ્યું તો એની માટેની સ્ટોક અવેલેબલ છે કે નહીં. કેમિસ્ટને ત્યાં ના હોય તો હોલસેલરમાંથી સ્ટોક અવેલેબલ કરવાનો. સો ધીસ વે ઇટ ઇઝ not a bad job, like to say that it is actually a trusted job, because the amount of in, to be very honest with you, in marketing is very strong, and growth prospects also it is very strong. Now coming to question of Dr. Jaydeep, so sir, like to say that after the digitization the dimension of practice has been changed. The dimension of practice has been changed. Just like પહેલા ડોક્ટર ફિઝિકલી પેશન્ટને 1-to-1 મળતો હતો, બરાબર? હવે he has make his practice, અને આપણે જે ટર્મિનોલોજી એના માટે જે વાપરી, that is practice. જે ડોક્ટર પ્રેક્ટિસ કરે છે, their practice they have make it little bit diverse. Like એ લોકો જેટલા જરૂરી પેશન્ટ્સ હોય એમને જ પોતાને બોલાવે છે, બાકીના પેશન્ટ બોલે છે કે we will connect through video call. It may be either WhatsApp video call, it may be either through some software, બરાબર, જે પેશન્ટને આપી દે છે. સો ધીસ ડાયમેન્શન ઓફ પ્રેક્ટિસ, તો અત્યારના જે તમે ડૉક્ટરના ક્લિનિક જોશો એમાં બહુ ભીડ નહીં હોય, એટલી બધી ભીડ નહીં હોય જે પહેલાં જબરદસ્ત હોતી હતી. સો ધીસ વન પાર્ટ હેઝ બીન ચેન્જ. અનધર ઇઝ, હવે ડૉક્ટર્સ પણ શું કરે છે કે પહેલાં જેવી રીતે દિલીપભાઈએ કીધું કે આપણે લોકો વર્કશોપ કરીએ છીએ, વી આર ગેટિંગ સમ અપડેટેડ નોલેજ, અપગ્રેડેશન, વી આર ટ્રાઇંગ ટુ અપગ્રેડ અવર સેલ્ફ. એવી રીતે ડૉક્ટરને પણ અપગ્રેડેશન જરૂરી છે. સો પહેલાં શું કરતું હતું, ફાર્મા કંપનીઝ છે ને અલગ અલગ હોટલ્સમાં મીટિંગ કરાવતી હતી આ ડોક્ટર્સની. સો ઓલ ડોક્ટર્સ ટ્રાય ટુ ગો ધેર ઇન અ બિગ ગ્રુપ, મે બી 40 ડોક્ટરો, 50 ડોક્ટરો, 100 ડોક્ટરો, 150, 200, 250. In a big group they were try to travel, બરાબર? But now they are more interested in the digital meetings, just like what we are doing right now, બરાબર? They are doing in either Zoom or some another platform. Only some big level of conferences only they are trying to associate physically. Even એવું થઈ ગયું છે કે international conferences પણ છે, that is European Society of Cardiology or any another cardiology you can take, any major national or international conference, એ લોકો ખુદ અત્યારે ડિજિટલ કરી રહ્યા છે, because nobody wants to right now is willing to travel at that place. So that is from doctor perspective point of view. What is important for our perspective, that is students and all, even at my level also, what I'm thinking કે મને ઇન્ટરનેટ ઉપર હું સર્ફિંગ કરતો રહું છું. Yeah, one thing I just forgotten to tell all of you, that તમે લોકો પોતાનું ફેસબુક અકાઉન્ટ બનાવો છો, ટ્વિટર બનાવો છો, ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ બનાવો છો, અને આ બધા બનાવો છો, નો ઇશ્યુ, ઇટ્સ અપ ટુ યુ, બરાબર. બટ what I request you to please have one LinkedIn account also. LinkedIn is a very professional site where actually you have been observed by various companies, various HR associates, and various good people also. So try to make your LinkedIn account, અને એમાં તમારી જે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન છે એ એકદમ અપડેટેડ રાખો, because in this you are able to see various group, various job providers, recruiters. They are actually searching. One of the very strong engine is this LinkedIn. Another is Naukri.com. Naukri, this I'm saying after your D Pharma, if you're willing to go for job, after B Pharma, if you're willing to go for job, these are the one of the interesting options. Barabar. So here you can have your account, you can surf regularly. Plus, what I request to all of you, during your this educational curriculum, try to surf for, when you're getting some free time, some of the educational courses, barabar, that also you try to attend, which are on virtual platform or digital platform, barabar, because this will make you different. This will make you ahead of the other people. For example, મેં જ્યારે નાઇપરજીમાં ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપવા ગયો હતો, બરાબર, I had done at that time one very basic course from LinkedIn, બરાબર, અને એનું સર્ટિફિકેટ હું મારી સાથે લઈને ગયો હતો. મને ખબર નથી એ મને એટલું બધું હેલ્પફુલ કરશે કે નહીં, બટ ટ્રસ્ટ મી, ઇટ હેઝ હેલ્પ્ડ અ લોટ, બરાબર. સો આ હું વાત કરું છું 10 વર્ષ પહેલાની. So that's why what I request you કે digital has actually changed the dimension, and now આપણી પાસે તમે ઇન્ટરનેટ પર સર્ચ કરો available on the internet. So go for those courses only which are actually helpful to you, જે તમારા પોતાના પ્રોફેશનને રિગાર્ડિંગ જ હોય, that only you just try to explore. એવું નહીં બધા આડાવડા ગમે તે કોર્સીસ કરો, કોઈ મતલબ નહીં, બરાબર. અને સી આપણે ગુજરાતી માણસો છીએ, બરાબર. ટ્રાય ટુ ગો ફોર મોર એન્ડ મોર ફ્રી કોર્સીસ, or those courses where fees almost up to 500,000, 1,500, જે 50,000, 60,000 ને એટલા બધા કોર્સ પણ અવેલેબલ છે on digital platform. Don't go for that. Even at right now at my level also I'm not going for that, બરાબર. જે થઈ શકે થોડા સસ્તા, સારા અને તમને હેલ્પફુલ હોય એ જ કોર્સીસ લેવાનો ટ્રાય કરો. યસ સર.
Yes, sir.
Now I invite Dr. Jaideep to speaker.
Is there question from student side, sir, in your chat box? Is there any questions from student side still want to ask? Just 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Any
There
students?
is no question in a chat box. If any student want to ask a question, unmute your mic and ask a question. Feel free to ask. There is no any hesitation.
Feel free to ask. No hesitation.
કઈ એવું ટેન્શન ના થાય કે હું કઈ પૂછીશ મારા સર લોકોને ખરાબ લાગી હશે.
Yes,
No,
true.
no.
Very true.
No,
Very
question
true.
પૂછવું is a very good thing.
આ
તમે કંઈ
interaction
પૂછશો
session
in a
છે.
pharma-
હમ.
જી, તમે કઈ પૂછશો તો તમને જાણવા મળશે. પેલી ટાટા સ્કાય ની એડવર્ટાઇઝ જોઈને પૂછને મેં ક્યાં જાતા હે, તમે પૂછશો તો તમને ખબર પડશે કે શું છે. નહીં પૂછો તો તમને ઇવન ફાર્મા માર્કેટિંગમાં પણ તમે આવશો અને કઈ ક્વેશ્ચન કરશો તો તમને ઘણું બધું જાણવા મળશે. તમારે ડોક્ટરને પણ ક્વેશ્ચન કરવા પડશે.
Okay. If no questions, then I will summarize the today's session. First of all, I would like to summarize the Mr. Dilip, your session. You have covered a lot of things for students. Basically, you have explained in very nice way sales, classification, marketing, regulatory and all opportunities. Then consumer selling, healthcare. What is difference between consumer selling and healthcare selling? Hierarchy you have explained very nicely of selling hierarchy, sales hierarchy you have explained. Also, you have explained the promotional aids used for the doctor in a nice way to our students. Then what is the role of MR? Why MR is required? That was explained in very nice way by Dilip. Also later on discussion side, you explained the role of MR in with the stockist doctors. So almost you have covered all those things in a nice way. Thank you very much, Mr. Dilip, for sparing a time for our participants as well as behalf of BK Modi Government Pharmacy College, I would like to thank you that all you are sparing your Sunday with us and actually sparing 2 hours with student. So even as a alumni, we are very thankful from our alumni association. Thank you very much. Regarding
Thank you so much, sir. Yes,
yes,
sir, it's our
regarding
pleasure to helpful to our college. It's our pride moment for us.
yes.
Thank you,
Regarding
sir.
Yugal, Mr. Yugal, during just slightly disturbance, we heard your motivational talk from diploma to group leader. That was really amazing motivational to the students. So one diploma students reaches to the one big giant pharma giant group leader. It's a really achievement for our college also. As a alumni, we proud of you that you reach to this level. So it is a really motivational to all the diploma students. You can take as a motivation this. Very nice. Also, in their talk, Mr. Yugal explained very nicely all the opportunities regarding the diploma. So, what after diploma and how you can carry out all those things as an entrepreneur, job, regulatory affairs, pharmaceuticals, and ultimately higher studies, which is a most prominent that was the part for the good success that was explained for even you can go for MS Pharma MBA that was explained nice way also explain that is regarding the different quality needs for the MR as well as covered hierarchy of organization that up to general manager how can you reach what are the levels NSM national sales manager RSM ZSM all the MR whatever that roles that you have explained in a nice way. You have also motivated the students for higher study and then GPAT and all. It was a really amazing session. And behalf of Government Pharmacy College, I would like to say thank you very much, Mr. Yugal, to spare your valuable time on holiday. Also, you are here with us and motivating our student. Even you are also alumni, so our alumni also takes a alumni association takes a proud of you, all of you. Thank you very much, and be associated with our college in future too. That will be the great for our college, as college will takes always proud of our college, our students are the strength of our college. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you,
it's
have
an
a good
honor.
day.
Yeah, it's an honor, sir. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity also. And we are
Thank you,
also
Jaydeep sir.
yeah, willing to
Thank you.
connect ahead also. Thank you so much.
Here I have
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Please
Yes, sir.
stop. Please accept, delete.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
And this is for Yugal Kishore Jitwani. Yugal,
Thank you, sir.
accept it, please.
Thank you so much. With whole heart, we can accept this as an honor, as a pride to be associated with the BK Modi office.
Okay, so I will send it the soft copy to your email address also.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
now,
much.
for delete.
Yes, sir.
So for the participants, I would like to say that we have organized a webinar on next Sunday regarding the regulatory aspects and which is going to be delivered by senior inspector Mr. Dr. Mahesh Dabri sir. So I insist to all participants to take the advantage and register and attend the same. So here we end our today's meeting and the webinar. So thank you all of you. have a
Thank you, Yugal and Dilip. Nice meeting you. We'll continue meeting.